In this video we're going to have a look at how we can construct an ASA triangle using a ruler and a protractor. Okay. First of all, let's do a recap on what we mean by an ASA triangle. So we've got a triangle where we know two angles and we know one side, and importantly that the side sits between the two angles that we know. So we've got an angle, side, angle, so we call it ASA. ASA, angle, side, angle. Okay. The example we're going to have a look at is a triangle. We've got a base length of 8 centimeters and the two angles are 40 degrees and 60 degrees. So I'm going to start off with my base angle and put that near the bottom of my piece of paper. I'm going to make sure that I've got enough space to draw my triangle, and I'm going to draw a length of 8 centimeters. Then I'm going to take my protractor and I'm going to measure an angle of 40 degrees. So I'm putting my crosshairs, I'm going to mark this up as A and B. I'll put my crosshairs on my point A, making sure my base is aligned with my line AB, and I'm going to measure 40 degrees. Using my inner scale, 10, 20, 30, 40, I'm going to mark that on my diagram. I'm going to connect that point up with point A, and draw a line. I'm then going to measure my second angle, which is 60 degrees. So in this case I'm going to put my crosshairs on point B, make sure my baseline's lined up, and measure 60 degrees. 60 degrees I'm going to use the outer scale, so I'm starting at 0 and I'm coming round to the point here at 60 degrees. I'm going to connect that point up with my point B and draw a line. Where these points cross, where they intersect, that's going to be the top of my triangle C. So we have got angle of 40 degrees, we've got an angle of 60 degrees, and we've got a base length of 8 centimeters. Where those two lines intersect, I've got my third point C. It's very important when we're drawing these triangles and we're using our constructions that we don't rub out these lines over here. So questions in the GCSE will often say leave your construction lines in place, and this is just showing the examiner that we've used the correct technique to construct the triangle. So although we're actually only interested in this triangle here, we're going to leave these two lines in place because it shows that we've used the correct technique to produce it. Okay.